Namaste, my name is Saurabh Jadhav. Allow me to introduce to our new contactless services in our institute. Keeping in mind the safety and security of a team, students, stakeholders, parents and walk-ins on your arrival with mask, we provide you with sanitizer and your body temperature is recorded at the institute entrance using infrared thermometer. We have also placed food staves for 6 feet distance and sanitizer in the porch to disinfect your hand before entering the institute. As you proceed for your admission inquiry, you will find introduction on floor to ensure social distancing if you have to wait in the queue. Our team is ready to welcome you all for contactless services at our institute. I would like to take to our principal sir's cabin as he would like to address to us.
Yes.
May I come in, sir?
Come in. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm good, sir. Thank you. How are you, sir?
Fine. Tell me.
Sir, we would like to know your comment on prospective newcomers.
Yes. What a lovely moments you asked the question of this. I'm very much eager to meet our newcomers, but only the situation of this time had been changed. Not like earlier. Since we are worldwide, we are facing the pandemic corona. It is a very lovely moment to welcome our newcomers. I love them always, but you have to this time you have to just convince them that how safe we are here. We are promoting touchless services both at the classroom and our laboratory, and we are maintaining social distancing. We are taking care of hand wash properly. Even we are providing them mask also. So campus is very much secured with respect to COVID-19. Only that he has to take care of while their travel part and at the residence, but our campus is very much safe. I am 100% assuring that the parents about this, they should not worry about infection at the campus. We are taking care of all safety measures suggested by UGC and SP Pune University. So nothing to worry, and please convince the parents that their kids are safe here and most welcome. Thank you.
To avoid contact, online admission form and inquiry formalities are initiated where we would be collecting all necessary documents by email before your arrival on appointments. Reception and all area are highly sanitized to be safe and secure. Faculties and our admin team make sure that they keep 6 feet distance at all times. Introducing our accommodation operation faculty, Ms. Ruchita Chaudhary, I would like to walk through our housekeeping practical guest room. Before starting practical, housekeeping guest room is done attention to details by thoroughly humidifying room and sanitizing all amenities placed. We promise to deliver uncompromising housekeeping practical sessions. Introducing our F&B service faculty, Professor Ranjit Patil, would like to walk through in a training restaurant named Cafe Vintage, where you again notice our safety measures and guidelines are set perfect for comfortable and safe and secure practical session. Right from sanitizing ingredients, preparing food by following hygiene standards. Regularly sanitizing chairs and tables, distance sitting arrangements as per the latest SOP of WHO and ICMR. Your safety is our topmost priority. We promise you to deliver uncompromising, safe and secure practical sessions. Looking forward to welcome you at our institute Thank you. Introducing our production team faculty, Professor Shekhar Khairnar, Professor Deepak More, welcoming you to Advanced Training Kitchen. We have taken safety measures to follow. Whoever enters into the kitchen has to sanitize the hands first. Later on, he will be checked by infrared thermometer. To avoid contamination, washing hands is advisable for 20 seconds. Dry your hands with a clean napkin. Sanitizing your hands. Headgear and hand gloves are provided to avoid contamination. Batch of students are reduced to half on each table to maintain physical distancing. Students get standard SOP about hygiene as per FSSAI and we follow the same. Precautionary measures to work safely in the kitchen are as follows. Each day we get fresh raw materials such as vegetable, fruits, meat, dairy products cleaned thoroughly as per the guideline. We feel proud to say that we have a plus point for our laboratory exposure to direct sunlight and proper ventilation, which are the good things for COVID-19. We look forward to welcome you. Thank you. As like other departments, introducing our librarian, Mrs. Uma Amrutkar. Whoever enters into the library has to maintain social distancing and get sanitized first. And later on, the body temperature will be checked by infrared thermometer. We have a big library with sitting arrangement with number of volumes 1907, titles 1572, magazines 10, e-journals 82. We also have access to reprography section where students in-house can take photocopy itself. Social distancing maintained for looking out the books of their choices. Sitting arrangement as per on the table. Books while issuing from the librarian, social distancing maintained. We welcome you to the library. Thank you. Measures taken into the classroom